Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Nama saya Muhammad Yunisiat, NIM 174068, kelas Sistem Informasi Pagi B. Saya akan mempresentasikan jurnal saya yang berjudul Design of Information System of Cultural Asset Collection on the Platform of Button-Based Keraton Culture. 1. Preliminary to literature review, 3 research methods, 4 result and discussion, 5 conclusion. Preliminary background. The data collected on historical objects and cultural assets is Button Palace Fortress does not yet have a forum or media that publish in detail the detail of the names and the number of assets that are still in Button Palace Fortress. So, we need a system that can collect data on cultural assets at Button Palace Fortress. It is necessary to make an information system for the data collection of cultural assets of ancestral heritage at the Batan Sultanate Palace Fortress in order to provide information to the general public and especially the Batan people to find out the names and the number of assets of historical and cultural objects in the Batan Sultanate Palace Fortress. Literature review on display describes the journal literature review. Batan Sultan's Palace Fortress. Portfolio, or also known as the Batan Palace Fort, is a heritage fortress of the Batan Sultans built in the 16th century by Sultan Buton III named Lasangaji, who was the title Sultan Kaminuddin. Asset definition: an asset is a thing or something owned by a person and organization, both private and government, that has economic value, commercial value, and exchange value. Batan culture. In Indonesian, the word culture comes from the Sanskrit budaya, which is the plural for budi. So that culture is defined as the result of human thought or reason. Asset management. Asset management includes from planning to disposal and monitoring of these assets during their useful lives by an organization or state ministry agency. Website. The web is an application that contains media, document, text, image, animation, video in it that use the hypertext transfer protocol and to access to using software called a browser. Database. The database is a collection of data that is interconnects with on another stored on computer hardware and used by software to manipulate. Research methodology: waterfall, planning, analysis, design, coding, testing, maintenance. Research methodology: the waterfall method has several steps, namely 1. Planning, gathering the need and entities need to obtain the resource need and allocation several subsets of the software requirement. Maintenance, the software will experience change after being submitted to the user, then error will occur and carry out maintenance or repair if there are mistakes. Testing, the process of testing the logic of the software, ensuring that all statements have been tested, and the external testing functionality of the test to find error and the required result are integrates component in the system. Analysis, the process of gathering needs is intensive and focused on system recruitment, application use interface from of information processing, expect performance, documentation, and others. Design system and software is a multifunctional description of recruitment analysis. The process goes through the steps of data structure, software architecture, interface representation, algorithm, coding, namely making program on translating the result of the design into a specific programming language. Data collection technique. Observasi is sitting and observing directly the object under study, such as the data collection on cultural asset carried out at Bhutan Palace Fortress. Interview is one way to obtain data by asking a series of questions directly with the party who manages asset data at Bhutan Palace Fortress about how the current system works. Library, namely combination and systemizing all existing material relates to the problem topic. Result and discussion. A. Login form testing technique. B. Asset category data testing. C. Cultural asset. D. Testing new. Login form testing technique is one login menu. This test aim to input the correct login for if the user enter the correct username and password and then clicks the login button, the system can receive login access and display the main menu to main page display. If the username and password filling page is filled incorrectly, the main menu page will appear. Asset category data testing. 3. Asset category data input display is an asset category data input test which function to input data by inputting the category name. Category name serves to map data on various types of cultural asset. For asset category data display, if all the fields in the form are input correctly and click the save button, the input is successful and the message data was successful saved will appear. If one of the fields is empty, then the column with a red line indicates that the data must be filled in. Cultural asset. Display of cultural asset data input is a test of cultural asset data input which function to input data by inputting asset names, categories, quantities, units, image, and description. 6. Cultural asset data display. If all the fields in the form are input correctly and click the save button, the input is successful and the message data was successful saved will appear. Testing new 2. New input form. The new data input test aim to input data such as title, sales, categories, new content, source, and image. New data page. If all the field in the form has been input and click the save button, the input is successful and the message data was successful saved will appear. Conclusion. Based on the result of the research and this it can be considered that 1. What is information system application? It can facilitate data collection and inputting of button cultural asset resulting in accurate and well-structured information using a systematic application. 2. The system information can be used as a forum for and conveying information to the public regarding to cultural asset of ancestral heritage in the Button Sultanate Fortress. Besides that, with this system and central heritage object can be preserved and the public can find out of information on the number of assets that are still preserved. Thank you. Kuliah IT tidak saja.